All right, in this video, we're going to hit the content piece: content creation, moderation, summaries, media. Let's dive in and get started. Now, I did forget one little piece of configuration here earlier. If you go to Configuration, AI, and Alt Text Settings, the only thing we need to do here is just auto-generate on upload. I really like that feature. We just don't have to click a button. And once again, the entire prompt is there. You can update that prompt as you require. All right, content, add content, article, please. I'm going to leave the title field blank for now because we're going to suggest a title here in just a minute. Now on my WYSIWYG editor, we have AI Assistant. Let's go ahead and first generate with AI. What you get here is a pop-up window, and that's kind of narrow. Remember I said we could fix that a little bit if we wanted to. We can make that a little bit wider, which we'll probably do before the next video. This is not a course in prompt engineering, but don't think that if you give it a lousy prompt, you're going to get great output. The prompt is everything. One of the things I find to be super helpful is to experiment with, say, ChatGPT, even the free version. And when you get the results that you want, ask whatever LLM you're using to just feed back the prompt that would have generated this the first time, and then insert it here. One of the things you'll be able to do as you get better at this, of course, is prompt engineer to get the best results the first time. I'm not going to be providing great prompts for this training. Again, this is how to get it set up, not how to get the best results. All right, so here's my prompt. Create a blog post about Drupal AI in 2025. Include information about the latest updates and explore where it might lead. Be positive but clear and matter of fact. Click Generate. Now, one of the things I like about CKEditor AI here is that there's always a human in the loop, like that's you and me. I can actually edit this right here in this pop-up window because guess what? I have my WYSIWYG editor. Also, because AI understands ADA compliance, these headings are properly formatted. This is an H2, this is an H3, and more, and I can scroll down and edit this as I want. That looks pretty good though, so I'm going to scroll down and click Save Changes to Editor. And there we are. I have the text in my body field, and as I mentioned, it's all semantically correct. That's pretty good. It's not huge, but it's not bad at all. All right, so that's generating content. What about modifying the content? Well, that's the next one, modify with a prompt. So I'm going to select this opening heading and click Modify with a prompt. You have to select the text you want to modify. And I'm going to say, double this in length and make it, and add a summary of what the article is going to say. Modify text. Here again, it's a human in the loop, and there we are. We doubled the length of the introduction and added a quick summary at the top. Save changes to the editor. All right, I've gone and reformatted this just a little bit. I took the secondary title out of the top part and I made it in heading 2 here. And I made this heading 3 into regular text that's bolded. Does that meet the standard? Well, let's find out. I'm going to select all, and I'm going to go and click Reformat HTML. Now, if it doesn't meet the standard, it'll reformat it for me. I'm going to click Reformat. It's going to give us some thinking time. And it looks like it changed that summary back to an H3, which is fine. Let's save changes to the editor. This is still a heading 2. This is a heading 3. This is a heading 2. That's a heading 3. So one of the great things with that is that your content will be ADA compliant, semantically correct. Again, where I find this to be the best is when you're inserting from Microsoft Word or something like that, that is just all over the place, inserts all kinds of garbage into the HTML. This will fix it, clean it up, and make it correct. Let's talk about Drupal AI's spelling correction. So I'm going to change I'm just going to change one word and take out the O in development and see if it can pick that up for me. Fix spelling and click fix spelling, and let's see what happens. Will it find it? And there it did. There we go. Save changes to editor. That's actually pretty easy. All right, that's enough for this video. We'll pick up the rest of them in the next one.